In this video, I'll show you how to calibrate the joysticks of your Nintendo Switch. Could be the Switch OLED, the Switch Lite, or even the original, the classic Switch. So what you need to do, so click on the home button. So we start fresh and you're gonna select the settings icon. Once you're over here, go on the left side menu, go down until you see controllers and sensors is right over here. Click on it, and on the right side go down, you have calibrate control sticks. So click on this, and now they will ask you to tilt one of these controllers, the one that you're actually having trouble with. Let's say I'm having trouble with the left one. I'll go ahead and tilt it. Now over here, you can simply move your joystick and see how it's acting up. So when you're not touching, you should see a plus sign in the middle of this circle. And when you put it to the max, like this, you see, it should touch the extremities of this circle. To start the calibration process, you need to click on the X button and then select Calibrate. It will tell you recalibrate only if there is a problem. You can do it even if you don't have a problem, although it's a bit weird. I'm doing it for this tutorial. Press Calibrate, and now we need to follow what's on the screen. So move the stick towards the triangle and release it when the color of the triangle changes. So you see over here, in this case, the triangle is on the right side, so I'll bring the joystick towards the right side and then release it once the triangle turns blue. Now down, release it. Same thing on the left, try to be precise, and up. Next, they will ask us to turn clockwise. So put the joystick towards the extremity and start turning it. Do this a few times. After 2 or 3 circles, you're gonna see calibration complete. Press the OK button. You'll be back to this screen. This has nothing to do with the calibration because it has been done. It's just to test your joystick. So this is about it. Once you're done, you can simply go back. You can press the home button and the stick will be calibrated. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.